Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object-oriented programming series, and with this video's topic is understand on properties. In the following example, the bird constructor defines two properties, name and numlex. Here name and numlex, two properties are defined by this constructor bird, and we create two new birds, duck and canary. Name and numlex are called on properties because they are defined directly on the instance of object. That means duck and canary each has its own separate copy of these properties. In fact, every instance of bird will have its own copy of these properties. The following code adds all the on properties of duck to array on props. In this case, in fact, every instance of birds will have its own copy of these properties. The following code adds all the on properties of duck to the array on props. In this case, on props is an empty array right here, and when we use property in duck to loop through every property of duck object, then we will use this to push the properties inside on props array, and when we print we will get the separate properties which are defined inside the constructor. Task for this challenge: add the on properties of canary to the array on props. In this case, for let property in this case we have to check for canary. If canary has on property in that case on props dot push property. Looks good, and let's check it using console.log on props. We get the two properties inside the bird means canary object, which is constructed from the bird constructor. So let's remove it and then run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.